Hey, welcome to YouTube, Cooper's Automotive. We've got this, what year is this thing, Byron?
2001.
2001 Toyota Camry. It's got a V6 in it. The complaint from the customer was a roaring sound. Worse when it was cold. You could always hear it all the time. AC on, AC off. So did a little inspections here running it, and first thing that I did, I noticed an alternator roaring sound. So I took this plug right here on the alternator right there and unplugged it and ran it, and the noise was gone. I'm going to start it. I'm going to have Byron put the camera speaker down close to the alternator so you can hear it, and then I'm going to show you one more thing, the way we test it. Okay, sometimes it's louder than that, and the other thing is what we call a ripple, AC ripple pattern of the alternator with a loud scope. Using the old Counselor 2, if you're looking at the waveform, this thing's got a bad diode in it. This should be small little M&Ms all the way across. So here's what we're going to do. This is quick shot, part 1 of the video, showing you what we diagnosed and what we heard. I'm going to cut the video off and do a part 2 when I'm done, alternator on, and show you a ripple pattern of a good one so you know what it is. So there you are, roaring noise, diagnostic, 2001 Toyota Camry. We'll be back, stay tuned.